This is the part where the mess up could go wrong, because you could drill the holes in the wrong spot and then the whole door is messed up. It's just gonna look crazy. So this is definitely, the door handle is definitely what you need to pay the most attention at and try to get this thing right. First I need to grab the right size drill bit, and I pretty much just set it up, and then I set it up. I put the stopper where it needs to go, and then this part right here where it needs to go, and then I pretty much just trace it out. That way I can't get it wrong. All right, now we're gonna start working on the door handle. And I'm gonna try my best because I don't have much space here to really get this video how I want to. I'm gonna try my best and try to show you guys. All right, let's go. All right, so here you want to make sure you put the door strike plate or whatever that's called. That's the doorknob. I don't know if you want to call that a knob or not. And then it's the things to actually shut the door with. Just get that exactly where you want it at. Pre-drill it because it's going to be hard to get that long screw in there without pre-drilling. So go ahead and do that. Alright, so I traced it out already. Now I'm going to go ahead and start pre-drilling. Yeah, right about there. Now we're trying to drill in because it's not even the right size drill bit. You just want to mark it out. I really have like a sharp tip pencil to be able to get this thing right. There we go. It's hard. Alright, now I'm gonna switch it. So this damn drill bit, this damn fucking drill don't want to hold no drill bits or nothing tight, but it still works. The only way I'm gonna get rid of it if it stopped working. The last time I got rid of my Milwaukee, it just stopped working literally. Start installing the door handle. This stuff. Go right here. Got the middle here. Got that. Spring. This is a little right here. Alright, so you want to make sure your door handle, doorknob, whatever is working properly. So just give it a test. Now sometimes it may be a little bit stiff or it might just be hard, don't move at all. Just make sure it's working properly. As you see in there, I'm just clicking it and it's working very smoothly. Also, make sure you have it tight shut. You don't want the door wiggling or anything once the door is shut, because it will make sounds once the wind started coming through. Now